At last I have found a chart that is not that complicated. Anyways, welcome to my channel my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video I'll be analyzing the chart of USDCHF, US dollar, Swiss franc. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of USD CHF in front of us right now, and as we can see that there was a sharp up move on the chart of USD CHF. Okay, so let's do the analysis first, then we'll be jumping to the strategy part. Clear? So if you look at the chart of USD CHF, overall chart of USD CHF, then we can see that there was a sharp move here, and after that market went sideways, then there was some sideways movement again, market went down, and right now there is a sharp up move again. So if we look at the overall chart of the USD CHF, then we do not get a clear picture here. This is not a trending market, rather this looks like that the market is kind of confusing, messy chart. Okay, but if we just focus on the present market here, then there is no doubt that this market is extremely bullish. Just forget about the past. Okay, just concentrate on the present. So if we look at the present chart here, then the chart is extremely bullish. Then there is no doubt about it. Okay. So in an upturn market like this, it is always wise to go for buying opportunities, because the thumb rule of the market, or the basic rule of the market, says follow the trend. Follow the trend means if a market is an uptrend, we should always go for or look for buying opportunities, and if a market is in downtrend, we should mainly look for shorting opportunities. This market is undoubtedly is an uptrend, therefore we should mainly look for buying opportunities only. Okay. But if you look at the chart here, then you can see that there is no proper support present on the chart, because see, we have found the trend of the market, so our next duty is to find the area of value, but we cannot find the area of value. Area of value means the best trading opportunity or the best trading spot. In an uptrend market like this, the best trading opportunity is always near the support, or we should always buy at support, because our risk to reward ratio matches. But here if you look at the chart here, then we can see that there is no proper support present here. There is no support here. In this particular level, market is trying to form a temporary support, but this support is not a very convincing one, because this is a temporary support, not a good support or a strong support. For this, or to understand this chart, we must understand the chart of DXY, because DXY, or the US dollar, has got direct impact on Forex market and currency pairs like USD CHF, USD CAD. Always remember, if dollar starts going up or US dollar starts going up, then USD CHF or USD CAD starts going up, and currencies like Euro, GBP starts going down. On the other hand, if you see selling pressure, keep in mind, if you see selling pressure on US dollar DXY chart, then you will see USD CAD, USD CHF also going down. And right now you can see that US dollar is in up move. US dollar is also extremely bullish. Therefore, you are also seeing heavy bullishness or buying on the chart of USD CHF. And most importantly, okay, most importantly, you can see that I have drawn a Fibonacci levels here that I generally do not draw. And you can see that I had to draw because there was no proper support here on the chart of USD. You can see that US dollar is just standing at a support Fibonacci level here, and in case it fails to go up also, then we have another support on the form of this trend line. Therefore, US dollar is extremely bullish, though it faced some selling pressure yesterday because of CPI report, but still the overall structure of DXY has not changed. Listen to me carefully. US dollar is still bullish, therefore there is a good possibility that dollar will be going up from here. So if you want to take a good trade on USD CHF, just keep your eyes on the DXY chart. DXY is just standing at the support here, and even if it comes down, then again it will be getting support from this trend line. Therefore, there is a good possibility that USD will be going up, and if USD starts going up, then definitely USDCHF will also be start going up. Just keep in mind that if you take a long position or buy position on USDCHF, then this will be your resistance. This whole level will be your resistance because of previous price levels. Your take profit target will be 0.9250. This will be your take profit target if you go for a buy position, and only go for a buy position when USD will be going up, and your stop loss will be below this level. Okay, just draw a line here and just put a stop loss below this level. That's it. And if we go to the Forex sentiment meter here, this is the Forex sentiment meter. Where is the USDCHF? I cannot find the USDCHF. Yeah, here is USDCHF. See, you'll find a Forex sentiment meter on my website avilashhazarika.com under Forex 101 section. See, just see, 74% retail traders have taken short position and 25% retail traders have taken long position. So in this bullish market, 74% traders have taken short position. It means that they are hoping that market will be going down, and this is the main reason why retail traders lose money, because they fail to follow the trend of the market. Are you getting my point? They fail to follow the trend of the market, and as a result 90% retail traders lose money, and this is the main reason. Therefore, do not make the same mistake. Do not follow the crowd. Always trade with your proper analysis and reasoning. And right now we have clearly seen that this market is in uptrend. US dollar is in uptrend. Dollar is about to bounce. Therefore, definitely you should go for buy position only. Do not short the market. Even if dollar fails to go up, and if you see market going down here, then also do not initiate any short position, because this market is extremely bullish. Initiating a short position or sell position will be very risky, because in this market, if there are 100 traders, okay, if there are total 100 traders, then 90 traders are on the buy side and only 10 traders are on the sell side. So if you short the market here, then you will be doing a great mistake here. So wait for the opportunity, wait for the US dollar to go up. Once you see buying on the US dollar, initiate a buy position on USDCHF as well. Okay, so keep your eyes on dollar index here. So this is it. Hopefully I've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See ya tomorrow again. Bye bye.